Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing a very beautiful plant called Rudbeckia, also known as Coneflower or Black-Eyed Susan. Rudbeckia is a part of the aster daisy or sunflower family. They have really stunning and eye-catchy flowers, and the flowers have a daisy shape or a cone-shaped structure. They are native to North America. You will find Rudbeckias in a lot of varieties. They come in different shapes, sizes and color. You will also get annual, biennial and perennial varieties too. You can grow them according to the climate you live in. Mainly Rudbeckias are summer flowers. They bloom from spring, summer till fall. In hot climates like India, they can be grown in winters too, and they also bloom in the rainy season. So here I have a variety that is called Rudbeckia Laciniata or gold quilled cornflower. It looks quite different from the black-eyed Susan. These flowers have a fluffy structure with bright yellow color, and the foliage is also different. They have bushy dark green foliage. Rudbeckias are quite easy to grow and care for. They are somewhat wild flowers, and with very little maintenance you will have long-lasting blooms. They are great plants to attract wildlife in your garden. You can also manage them very easily in containers too. Rudbeckias will prefer a bright sunny area to grow well. If you want lots of flowers, give them at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. They can also handle some partial shade, but they won't bloom well if the shade is too much. You can grow them from seed, or you can get a plant of your preferred variety from the nursery. They will grow quite well in a moderately fertile, well-draining soil. Choose a good soil. You can avoid clay soil. Sandy soil will be fine. Mix some good quality compost such as vermicompost or cow dung compost. You can add some bone meal or fish meal to encourage flowering. Make sure your pot has good drainage system. You don't have to fertilize them too much. During growth, you can add any liquid fertilizer weekly. Add some compost and slow release fertilizer every month. You don't have to do anything else. They grow quite well with minimum care. They can tolerate a little drought, but keep the soil moist always and water them when the topsoil feels dry. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot and fungal problems. They can get some pest problems like mealybug and powdery mildew. You can spray any organic pesticide like neem oil time to time. And keep your plant in a sunny area with good air circulation to avoid pest and fungus problems. When these bloom, they really brighten up your garden. And to keep them blooming for a long time, you should deadhead them. Remove the dead flowers regularly to get a healthy and long-lasting plant. Rudbeckias are awesome plants with stunning flowers, and they're one of the most low-maintenance plants that you can grow in your garden. If you haven't grown them, then definitely add them to your garden. They will not disappoint you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!